Alright, today we're going to be taking a gander at an Evergo industrial style ceiling fan. This fan might have a technical model name, but I'm not sure what it is. This fan is essentially a hybrid between an industrial fan and a regular fan, as the general motor shape and with the top and bottom bell-shaped canopies resembles an industrial. But then it has 4 blades, and the blades are wood with cane. And this fan is electrically reversible, as seen by this switch right here. This fan had been sitting in my backlog for a while, so I decided to take it out and give it a test run. One of the reasons that I didn't install it for the longest time is because it looks like an industrial, that means it has no pull chains, meaning that there's no way to regulate the speed. So, in order to do that, we're going to be using this wall control here. When I dug out the fan, I also dug out this wall control and ghetto rigged it to the swag cord going to the fan. So, yeah. So we'll go ahead and ignite power on this fan, starting off as slow as it can go. It's about your typical low speed. And of course that 60 cycle hum is ever present. Now we'll turn it up a bit. Turn it up some more. And up some more. and full speed. And once it reaches full speed, the hum is all but silenced, as is the case with most variable speed wall controls. Right before full speed, the knob kind of hits a weird point where it slows it down to like an aesthetic low, so that's a little strange. Might be a kink in the wall control or something. But this fan is a very good performer. It's blowing a ton of air and is very well balanced too. And there you go, an antique brass Evergo industrial style ceiling fan.